Okay, you can see me. I'm standing by a Predator statue. Why? Because it's like basically the North American premiere here in Toronto for like the new Predator movie. This September, the Predator is going to sneak his way back into theaters. This film, the new Predator, has an all-star cast, which includes Olivia Munn, Monte Rhodes, and Thomas Guy, basically, along with others. Now recently, they're also like finding more sexual assault allegations on the Predator. Sexual predator, basically. Get it? Yeah. Cast basically went all the way around. Now mind you, they shortened the span space here at Ryerson. Alright? But hey, not for a good premiere. Predator is like part of the Midnight Madness series. Good premiere at night though. Alright? There you go. You can see me now. Midnight Madness showcases films basically leading up to Halloween. Yeah.